What challenges did you face in compiling so much evidence and first-hand account from within these camps?
Yeah, well, like I said, there's the database online that really presents all of this evidence in a consolidated form for us. And this massive evidence, including the firsthand testimony from within the camps and within the detention sites where reporters are not allowed in, and camp guards and officials responsible for overseeing these camps are ordered not to release any information strictly. So the evidence we're relying on in terms of what is happening within the camps is really a mass of evidence directly from the victims and survivors, which unfortunately there aren't that, what we have is at least close to 100 firsthand testimonies who have both made it out and have been willing to speak out on this, which are both very rare and dangerous. So in that sense, we have a massive evidence already that is corroborated. Victims corroborate each other from within the camps as to the methods of torture. There's designated interrogation rooms where sexual violence has occurred. There's now victim testimonies corroborating each other as to evidence of widespread rape within the camps, gang rapes. And so we're relying for what's really going on within the camps from the victims themselves. And that's because international and independent mechanisms have been excluded from the region.
And Owen, roughly 2 million Uyghurs and other Muslim minorities are believed to have been held in detention centers across Xinjiang. According to the US State Department, China has maintained for years that these centers are necessary to prevent religious extremism and terrorism in Xinjiang. And China's Foreign Minister Wang Yi says claims of genocide there could not be, and I quote here, could not be more preposterous. How do you answer those denials?
If they think it's so preposterous, why are they refusing to allow for an independent, impartial, international investigative mechanism that would be unfettered in its inquiry? Several days ago, the Minister of Foreign Affairs of Canada, Mark Garneau, and the Foreign Secretary of the UK, Dominic Raab, jointly issued a call for such an impartial, independent investigative mechanism. The fact that China is not prepared to allow such a mechanism is more self-incriminating than anything else that they're saying as part of their denialism.